We are continuing with the Math 125 Gateway Review. We are on problem number 97, which reads m of x is equal to the square root of tangent of sine of 4x. Now it might be helpful to rewrite this problem as the quantity tangent of sine of 4x and all of this to the 1/2 power. Now you'll notice here that we have a function inside of a function inside of another function. So here it's useful to use, that's your cue to use chain rule. So to recall, if we have f of g of x, we want to find the derivative of that. That is f prime of g of x times g prime of x. All right, well here we have another chain rule going on because our g of x has another function inside of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to call f of x to be x to the 1/2. I'm going to call g of x as tangent of x and h of x to be sine of 4x. Now you might note that we have another chain rule going on here, but that one doesn't take as much work. So let's start with the top. If f of x is x to the 1/2, then f prime of x is 1/2 x to the 1/2 minus 1, or to the negative 1/2. If g of x is tangent of x, then g prime of x is secant squared of x. And if h of x is sine of 4x, then h prime of x is cosine of 4x times, because of our chain rule, derivative of the inside, which is just 4. So let's put all this to use with our m of x. So m prime of x is going to be the derivative of my most outside function, which is 1/2 x, which x in this case is tangent of sine of x. So tangent of sine of 4x to the negative 1/2 power times the derivative of the inside, which is derivative of secant squared, but on the inside I have sine of 4x. But here I have to use my chain rule again and multiply it by the derivative of the inside, which is cosine of 4x times 4. And here is your derivative. We do not need to simplify it, and that is your solution.